to see you again. Glad to see you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Kathy. I'm back at doing videos. I took the summer off and I hope yours was wonderful as well. So let's jump on board and let's talk about the early access Sephora VIB Rouge early access shopping spree that I did today. And let's start off with the Tarte Pineapple of My Eye. This is really pretty. This is a nice set which it has the palette, it has an eyeliner, it has a mascara and a small lip. And let's show you the palette, and it is absolutely beautiful. And it is in the shape of a pineapple, so pineapple of my eye. Great presentation here, and it's a nice metal with that gold tone. And let's show you right here, and look at this. Here is that beautiful palette right there. Isn't that just incredible? And then it has a nice, blushes here, and also some really nice pretty bronzers here, and these colors are absolutely amazing. I've done my swatches in the shop, and I was really impressed to see how well these colors were very pigmented and very smooth and buttery. I will be doing a full review on it, but prior Tarte gift collections for the holiday season kind of left me wanting a lot more and very disappointed. But this is giving me hope that Tarte is really getting on their ball. And the next up I have is also from Tarte, and it is called their Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust eyeshadow palette. And here's the box. It's really pretty coloring. And then, wow, look at that. Beautiful pinky colors. It looks like, little stars and sparkles right here. Really beautiful. And so then you open it up, has a nice mirror, and look at these colors. Really pretty. I was very impressed with them. So I think you will be as well. And this will be a nice gift to go forward for the holidays for that person who just, makeup is their thing. I think it'd be really good. Next up I have from Lancome. It is the CILS Booster XL. This is basically Lancome's version of an eyelash mascara primer. I love these. They're very good for your eyelashes. You put it on, it goes on white, and then you go ahead afterwards, after a few seconds, you put on your mascara, and it goes on very well, and you get great coverage. And I'm totally, enthralled with, Lancome's lash primer. Then I have Becca Glow. This is a gift set I found, and it has all of the glow and the highlighters that they have for Becca, and they're really beautiful. And if you look really close, let me see if I can get this in camera in focus, because there's a lot of glare, but you can see there is all the colors right here, and it even has the prismatic amethyst at the very bottom, which I was really happy because I want to give that a shot. So this would be something be great to pick up if you're really addicted to, those highlighters and those glows. Let me tell you, sometimes they are off the charts, and that's what I use as Becca for my my highlighting. Then next up I have from Benefit, and it is called Sweeten Up Buttercut. This is a gift box that they have, really pretty, and it comes with, let me show you on the back, it comes with mascara, it comes with the Pores No More, and it has all these beautiful other things that come with it. And then inside the box is also a makeup bag, and it is a nice, beautiful, soft, look at this, really pretty with the Benefit across it. It's a nice, soft, crushed, kind of velvety. I think this is something that'd be really great for those girly girls. And then had a little droppy there. But anyways, next up I have from Too Faced, and this is their holiday collection called Christmas Dreams. And this is a really nice, packaging. I really like it. It's called Dream Queen, and it has a beautiful packaging here. It reminds me, the cardboard right here. Look at that. Really pretty. And it reminds me of the previous years of Too Faced in New York and in Paris. So this is a really nice one. It's really toned down. And I did do some swatching in the store, but look at that. Really beautiful. Let me see if I can get it all in there. Look at that. It has some beautiful highlighters. It has some, bronzers. It has some beautiful colors here and even a highlighter. And these colors are absolutely phenomenal. And it has a good breakdown of mattes and shimmers. So I think this is going to be beautiful. Look at that. Nice presentation. Also inside, you would be getting, you would get a makeup bag. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Really pretty. Look how big that is. And then you would get the Hangover Fix spray. And then you would get a lip gloss. Really pretty. And I think this would be a great package to put under for the holidays for your friend or a girlfriend. I think it'd be really beautiful. Oh, and don't forget the Better Than Sex mascara. I love that to death. But I think this would be really cute if you took it out of the package and put it in this beautiful bag. And isn't that cute as a bug? So I think that's really nice. And the last thing I got, and this is just something for me, is the Too Faced Peach Lip Scrub. And I'm really liking those scrubs, especially when you're getting into the winter season and you get a little dryness, and you just pop this on and give it a little rub, and it does wonders for you. That way you can make sure they're moisturized and you get all that dead skin off of it. But look at this, cute as a bug. Look at that, in a nice little jar, and you just open it up and look at that. And it's a nice scrub. It's not too rough on your lips, but it's really beautiful. So that's all I got at the store. And the giveaway for being a VIB Rouge and attending the early access and spending over $50, they gave you this really nice makeup bag that says Sephora on it, and it has a nice little tassel on it, and it didn't have any gifts or little samples, which I was kind of disappointed that they didn't do that like previous years. But I think overall I did a wonderful job at giving some preview items, and I will be doing reviews on everything and giving you my final thoughts. And I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure to do a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe so that you'll be notified of future videos. Have a great one, and see you soon.